Hey nature lovers! Today, we expose the Papa League's small but mighty. It's not just a cute face, it's a skilled predator, even scaring off snakes. Stick around as we reveal its jaw-dropping encounters. Watch a coyote face its arch rival and an unbeatable rattlesnake cross paths with the Papa Leagues. Who comes out on top? It's wild out here. Thanks for the support. Share with your crew, and let's see a rattlesnake meet its match with a surprising twist. Subscribe for more wild tales. This seemingly nonchalant roadrunner is no ordinary stroller. It's a skilled hunter on the prowl. From lizards to rabbits, it swiftly snatches up any unsuspecting prey that crosses its path. Effortlessly fitting it into its beak. The roadrunner's perfect attack strategy involves disappearing into the vegetation, only to resurface with a small rodent securely in its beak. Astonishingly, the bird devours the unfortunate creature whole, sparing it from the need to pick apart the pieces. The notorious black mamba, feared for its venomous bite, faces an unexpected adversary, the mongoose. Known for its immunity to the deadly venom, the mongoose wastes no time strategically surrounding the snake.
Top down.
After careful study, the mongoose launches its attacks, skillfully evading the snake's retaliatory strikes. It's only a matter of time before the inevitable occurs, a decisive bite to the snake's head, bringing its reign to a dramatic end.
Got it.
Yeah, he's killed it.
A camouflaged snake on the forest floor caught my eye. But not Papa League's. The bird swiftly circled, determined to capture the intruder. Despite the snake's attempts to escape, Papa League's strategic pecks secured victory. Nature's drama unfolded, showcasing survival in the wild. A snake ventures out of its den, hoping for a successful dinner hunt. Little did it know, it crossed paths with a vigilant Papa League's. Without hesitation, the bird swiftly attacks. Stunned, the snake attempts a hasty escape, but weakened and overpowered. The video leaves us hanging, but one thing is certain: Papa League's had a successful dinner that day, showcasing nature's swift and unapologetic balance. We debunk the cartoon myth surrounding Papa League's. Far from being a harmless character, Papa League's is a voracious predator with a relentless appetite. This video captures the bird in action, racing at incredible speeds like Flash, attempting to hunt down multiple prey. However, the clever animals outsmart the roadrunner, leaving it startled and even a bit scared. Just when it seems all is lost, Papa League stumbles upon an unidentified insect, seizing the opportunity to satisfy its hunger under the scorching sun. In the end, it's a tale of survival. Eat whatever you can find, rather than facing the relentless sun on an empty stomach. Witness the epitome of predatory prowess as this roadrunner executes a relentless capture. With no hint of remorse, the bird slams its prey against the ground, displaying a ruthless determination to secure its meal. The calculated move ensures the opponent's escape is impossible. Once successful, the roadrunner nonchalantly swallows the captured gift, showcasing the raw, unapologetic reality of nature's survival tactics. Prepare to be both amazed and astonished as this relentless predator takes center stage in the brutal ballet of the wild. Life in frozen regions proves to be anything but calm. A daring frog finds itself in a tight spot, coming face to face with an eagle. Quick thinking and resourceful, the frog escapes through underground tunnels, making a successful dash to a pond teeming with tadpoles. Meanwhile, a bold stallion seizes the opportunity, not only escaping unscathed, but also making a romantic move, proving that life in frozen territories can go from 8 to 80 in an instant. Behold the marvel of a prehistoric creature, the lungfish, surviving virtually unchanged for a staggering 400 million years. Their primitive lungs reveal an incredible adaptation. The ability to consume minimal energy. After a brief breath, they can enter a state of hibernation, patiently waiting for their river habitat to refill after a prolonged drought. Witness the ancient wisdom of these lungfish as they simply crawl into the mud, demonstrating a remarkable survival strategy. And yes, you're right to wonder, these remarkable creatures can indeed breathe outside of water, thanks to lungs that have withstood the test of time, pulling oxygen from the air. A security camera captures a mischievous roadrunner attempting to break into a house. Face to face with the glass, the bird appears stressed, delivering repeated pecks at an unseen object. But, dear viewers, don't be fooled. Upon closer inspection, the camera zooms in to unveil the real mission. The crafty predator was after something higher up a little mouse. Watch in amazement as the roadrunner successfully captures its unsuspecting prey, showcasing nature's unexpected twist. Witness a scene straight out of the famous coyote versus roadrunner drawing. The coyote cautiously surrounds the bird, plotting its attack. However, the savvy roadrunner senses the imminent danger, makes a lightning-fast escape, eluding the potential attack of its would-be adversary. The chase unfolds with nature's own soundtrack, showcasing the thrilling speed and agility of these real-life counterparts. We witnessed the audacious roadrunner fearlessly challenging one of the wild's most feared creatures, the rattlesnake. With a dramatic soundtrack setting the stage, The snake attempts to defend itself, striking at the bird. However, the agile predator dodges the attacks with lightning speed, capturing the snake and delivering a decisive blow by slamming it against the ground. The rattlesnake, stunned and defeated, succumbs to the roadrunner's skillful tactics. In a mesmerizing finale, the bird devours the snake whole, leaving us in awe of nature's incredible and unpredictable battles. Witness the extraordinary as this seemingly small bird triumphs over a formidable foe in an epic duel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting video. Thank you.